Have you ever been constantly criticized or judged by people who don't even know the real you? Haters. They seem to pop up everywhere, on social media, at work, or even from your close circle. But what if I told you that you can silence these haters without lifting a finger? Picture this. You've just posted something on social media, and immediately there are negative comments, toxic DMs, or even passive-aggressive remarks from people who can't stand your success. How do you handle it? Do you respond angrily, try to defend yourself, or just let it eat away at you? Here's the thing. Fighting with haters only gives them more power over you. But today, I'm going to share 8 psychological hacks that will leave your haters speechless, unable to break your peace, and without even knowing it, they'll be silenced. You see, the moment you stop giving attention to your critics, you reclaim your power. Imagine living a life where you don't let anyone's opinion affect your self-worth. Sounds liberating, right? Well, that's exactly what I'm about to help you achieve. But this isn't just about ignoring them. It's about using their negativity as a stepping stone for your growth. The strategies I'm going to reveal will help you develop a mindset so strong, no hater will ever be able to rattle your confidence again. But before we dive into the 8 psychological hacks, let me share a quick story that will change how you see criticism forever. There was once a young entrepreneur who faced constant online hate, with people calling him a failure. But instead of sinking into despair, he used those attacks as fuel to grow his brand. And today, he's a millionaire. Now it's your turn. Stay with me, because the next part of this video will not only reveal these hacks, but also teach you how to turn your haters into your greatest motivators. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll feel invincible. Haters exist everywhere, online, at work, in social circles, even within families. They're the people who love to criticize, judge, and tear others down. But here's the truth. Haters only have power over you if you let them. If you master the art of mental resilience, you can silence them without ever saying a word. So today, I'll share 5 powerful psychological hacks that will make your haters frustrated, powerless, and irrelevant in your life. 1. The power of indifference. Starve them of attention. Haters feed on your reaction. The more you engage, the more power you give them. It's like adding fuel to a fire. If you keep responding, they keep burning brighter. But if you stop reacting, stop engaging, and stop caring, they lose interest and move on. This is based on a psychological principle called extinction, where behavior disappears when it no longer gets a response. Imagine 2 people arguing. One stops responding completely. The other person either gets bored or frustrated because they don't have anyone to fight with. This is exactly what happens when you become indifferent to negativity. Next time someone tries to bring you down, don't defend yourself, don't explain, don't react, just move on. When they realize they can't control your emotions, they'll eventually stop wasting their energy on you. The mirror effect. Haters are just projecting their own insecurities. Here's a psychological secret. Haters don't actually hate you, they hate themselves. Their negativity is just a reflection of their own insecurities, fears, and failures. Think about it. A person who insults your success is usually someone who hasn't achieved anything themselves. Someone who calls you fake is often struggling with their own identity. The best way to silence a hater is to see their words as a reflection of their own inner struggles, rather than a personal attack on you. Instead of feeling hurt, ask yourself, what does their hate say about them? This will instantly shift your mindset and make their words powerless. Even better, you can turn their hate back on them by exposing their insecurities. If someone constantly spreads negativity, simply say, "You must be going through something really tough to always be so negative. I hope you find peace." This response confuses them because instead of getting a fight, they get a mirror showing their own weaknesses. Most of the time, this will either make them uncomfortable or even cause them to back off completely. 3. Emotional control. Master the gray rock method. One of the most powerful ways to handle haters is to become emotionless like a gray rock. This psychological technique is often used to deal with toxic people and narcissists. The concept is simple. Haters want a reaction. If they can't get one, they get frustrated and eventually lose interest. Here's how you use the gray rock method effectively. Keep your responses short and neutral. Okay, that's your opinion. Noted. Show 0 emotion, no anger, no frustration, no irritation. Never explain or defend yourself, because the moment you do, they've already won. By refusing to engage emotionally, you take away their only weapon, their ability to control your mood. Imagine a lion walking through the jungle. Do you think it stops to bark back at every dog? No. because the lion knows it's above them. That's exactly how you need to treat haters. If you remain calm, unbothered, and emotionally detached, your haters will feel powerless and eventually disappear. The success paradox. Outshine them without saying a word. The greatest revenge against haters. Massive success. Nothing frustrates a hater more than seeing the person they doubted, mocked, or hated winning in life. Haters talk because they want to see you fail, but if you succeed, their negativity becomes irrelevant. Instead of wasting time responding to hate, use that energy to level up in silence. Work harder, improve yourself, and stay focused on your goals. The moment you start winning, your haters will either disappear or start pretending they always supported you. This is the success paradox. When you rise above, the same people who doubted you will suddenly want to be your friend. Instead of proving your haters wrong with words, prove them wrong with actions. Imagine how satisfying it is when the people who once laughed at you have to watch you succeed. That's the ultimate power move. 5. Kill them with kindness. The ultimate mind game. The most unexpected and psychologically powerful way to silence haters is by using kindness as a weapon. When someone spreads hate, they expect a fight. They want drama, arguments, and negativity. But if you respond with kindness and positivity, it creates a psychological conflict called cognitive dissonance, which makes them feel guilty, confused, and even embarrassed. Here's how you can do it. If someone says, "You're such a loser," respond with, "I hope you're having a great day." If they insult your looks, say, "I really hope you find happiness." If they mock your work, say, "Thanks for your feedback. Wishing you success too." This shocks them because it's the opposite of what they expect. It makes them question their own negativity and, in many cases, makes them stop hating altogether. Some haters even become supporters when they realize you're not the person they imagined you to be. This technique is so effective because it puts you in control. You're not fighting, you're not arguing. You're simply showing that their hate doesn't affect you. And when a hater sees that they can't break you, they lose interest completely. Final thoughts. Winning the psychological game. Haters only have power over you if you let them. The secret to silencing them forever isn't by fighting, arguing, or proving them wrong. It's by taking away their ability to affect your emotions. These 5 psychological hacks, indifference, the mirror effect, emotional control, success, and kindness, are all about shifting the power dynamic in your favor. When you stop reacting, understand their insecurities, remain emotionally unshaken, focus on success, and disarm them with kindness, you become invincible. No hater can break someone who is mentally unshakable. So, the next time someone tries to bring you down, remember, their words only have power if you believe them. Instead of getting angry, get indifferent. Instead of fighting back, observe. Instead of proving them wrong, succeed in silence. And instead of hating back, kill them with kindness. When you master these psychological tactics, haters will either disappear, admire you, or become irrelevant. And that, my friends, is how you truly silence your haters forever. If you found these psychological hacks helpful and want more powerful insights like this, hit that like button to support the channel. Let me know in the comments which hack was your favorite. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content. Your support keeps this channel going. See you in the next video.